Ground beef. Let's open it up. Put it in the bowl. Clove spice, Italian herbs, and add some salt. Now let's make a patty out of it. Nice. Butter on hot pan. Put the patty in. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now flip it. Cook it for 2 minutes. Add the egg. Nice. Add the cheese on top of the patty. Now cover with lid and cook for 3 minutes. Cut tomato. Cut the bun. Add mustard on the bun. Spread it around nicely. Add tomatoes. Let's see. Wow, everything is cooked. Cheese is melted. Serve the egg. Now serve the patty on top of the egg. Cover everything with a piece of bun. Let's check it out. Wow, look at this nice, juicy, delicious cheeseburger. It's so juicy. Look at that. Breakfast cheeseburger. Oh, let's try it. Nice. Large, delicious. So yummy. Like, share, and subscribe, my friend.